Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to work through a new topic, and the topic is, can you record your screen with CapCut PC in 2025? And it will be an step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you can see we are already in our Canva platform, and in here if you want to record yourself by using CapCut, are you really do it? Yes, you can do it. In here into the top over, you can see that next to the import button we have another button called record. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, then you just need to select whole display. Once you select over here, then they will eventually give you the options. From that place you just need to select the microphone, and if you are using the camera or webcam, you can enable this one, or if not, you can leave it this way. And so once you are done, you just need to click on start recording, and here actually you can see it is in countdown. Now the video recording already been started, and we can almost record 2 hours in here, and our voice also in recording process. So this way you can easily record your computer, desktop, or whatever you want. So this is the easiest way. I hope you understand how easy the process was. Once you record your video, you can just save it, like stop recording, or you can pause it. So I'm going to stop the recording, that's why I will click this one. Once I click over here, and you can see it already been recorded. So now let's play this one. Now the video recording already been, and you can see it is working perfectly. So if you want to add captions or enhance the voice, or you can change the voice if you want, or if you want something edit more while you are recording, you can do it also this way. Just click over here and it will be placed in this place. So this makes your whole journey so much easier. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.